What's going on? It's your boy Manic, and I'm going to show you why I'm your 10th favorite shooter. Anyways, we got our Speed QB bag. This is a dope bag, holds really nice to your body. It does make some noise though if you're trying to be all quiet and stuff in the bush, you know, with the straps and but it is very comfy and it works great. And there we go. One of the milsim loadouts is my DNC pack plate carrier. It does come with plates, but this one has the dummy plates in it, and it has some tacos and a Condor backpack for it. And that will hold my tank. A Speed Soft bag, Lux Edition, very dope. I like this bag a lot. It holds very nice to the body, very comfy, and I use EPM1 mags. Ooh, I can't even get it in. We have the Rogue's Custom mask. It's very fire. I love this mask. Thank you, Rogue. Underneath the Rogue mask, or my other one, I wear this. So this goes on like that, and then your hat goes on, and then you don't feel the BB hit on the top of your head, which I hate the most. So that's very crucial. Another piece of kit is the Valhalla mask. This I wear for outdoors. Very comfy, machine washable, double stitched. I've had it for a year, held true. Love this mask for outdoors. Outdoor gun. We have the Tokyo Marui 4.3 black. Very nice, shoots good. And the upgrade market is ridiculous with this gun. So if it breaks, I can fix it. Baby. This one was built by King Lobo. Pretty much almost everything was done. Like I bought a gun and then shipped him parts, and then he shipped me back another gun because I almost bought the entire thing. So yeah, almost everything is done in this one. For gloves, I wear the Exalt bone gloves. I have rheumatoid arthritis, so being hit in the hands sucks. And this really helps with not being hit in the knuckles. Guns, we've got the King Arms TWS skeletonized receiver with a light, red dot, fusion engine, speed trigger, oh my god, max hop up and bucking, and barrel all upgraded. And then we have the MP7 GBB, very cool. I have not played with it yet. I got it at the beginning of the winter, so you know, winter and green gas don't go very well together. So yeah, can't wait for summertime. But it is very snappy. And this one was, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that this one was built by 585 shooter Ricky. So, and that's my loadout. And thank you for watching. And I have one more thing. An unboxing! Woo! So, this box here was provided to me by Jack Tactical. Paul Whitman, you're the fucking man, dude. You are the fucking man. The GOAT. Bah! So, let's see what we got. I'm gonna use my trusty dusty knife. My White Rivers. I love this fucking knife. You have no idea how much I love this knife. So, American-made knife. Very sharp. Oh, that's the whole damn thing. There you go. Ooh. It is nice. I didn't expect it to be this nice. What is it? I'll tell you. Hold on. Damn, let me get it out. Whoo! This is a case. So I got this from Jack Tactical, and I needed to upgrade my case because I do plan on traveling more this year, more so for tournaments and stuff like that. And some of them are not, you know, I don't consider them drivable. I won't drive anything more than 7 hours actually. So if it's 14 hours away, I'm flying. And so I needed something to go on a plane. Paul came through. My boy Paul. See what this bad boy look like in here. Oh God. It's like opening a vault. What do we have? Ooh. Oh yeah, that's nice. So we got some pluck and pull egg crate. What's underneath the pluck and pull? Ooh, more pluck and pull. And okay, that's just oh, that's nice. Very nice. I like it a lot. And it's got the air pressure valves. It's waterproof. And it's got wheels, so I can roll it. It's 42 inches long. It's got a carry handle and another one on the side. It's nice. I definitely like this. I'm thinking about getting some Velcro tape and putting Velcro tape right here and just putting patches on it. What do you guys think? I think that might be a good idea. Anyways, peace out, and thank you very much for watching. Have a good night. No shade when you're reluctant, it could go both ways. And think maybe it's a